So I have the Honeywell Air Purifier, and I'm going to show you how to use this. But let's look at the grill first. You see that's a nice large grill with a large area to breathe in the air and give you clean air. Brief instructions on how to use this. This is kind of like the quick start type of instructions. You'll still want to read your owner's manual so you can get in depth on how to change filters and whatnot. But I'm just going to go over some of the basic instructions with this. So you can see the top of it, and the controls are all at the top. We're going to start from the left. If you can see this right here, it says 8, 4, and 2. This is for the timer mode. So if you can set, you press this button right here, it goes to 2. So that's 2 hours. The unit will turn off after we've powered it up. And I'm going to go over how to power it up in a second. Okay, so you can set this. It can turn off in 2 hours. You have the option for 4 hours, and you also have the option for 8 hours. And then, so you press it once, it goes to 2, press it one more time, it goes to 4, another time, 8, and then you press it one last time and it turns off. All right, so we have the timer mode, very important for you to use, especially if you don't want this running at all times, 24 hours a day. All right, so we've gone over that. Right here are the check filter and the check pre-filter lights. So this will light up when you need to check the filters or the pre-filters. Read your owner's manual so you know what that is. Okay, so right here, we're going to move over. So this big panel right here is the power button. So you press this and the power turns on for the Honeywell Air Purifier. The first setting will go into Germ Mode. Okay, so this is the quietest setting. It is made to, like it says, remove germs, it says. Okay, you press it, the power mode button again, it goes to general clean. Now the fan speeds up, but it is not as loud as the next mode, which I'm going to go to. Now this is called general clean. So if you press the power one more time, it will go to allergen mode. You know, the fan, it speeds up. It's not extremely loud, but it is louder, and it does clean up a little bit more than the general clean and the germ mode. Now, with all that being said, there is a turbo button right here. Now, this turbo button right here, you see what I'm pointing at right here, you press this and this speeds up the fan even faster. And this is good for trying to purify out your room or area after you finish cooking. It really does a great job with that. And then if we move over, there is the dimmer button right here. Now, when you turn on the air purifier, there's lights that light up, okay? Pretty cool looking. But say, for instance, you don't want these lights in your room. Say, for instance, you want it dark, whatever. You just don't want lights coming from here. You press this dimmer mode. It will turn the lights down to a dim, all right? It'll turn the lights down to a dim, but if you press it one more time, it will turn the lights on the unit off. Now, the unit will still be running, purifying if you have it set to purify, but the lights will not be on. This is good for if you want a totally dark room without light being a distraction coming from the air purifier. All right, so I hope this was helpful right here with this purifier. It's a really good machine.